Hydraulic.
Welcome to McDonald's. How may I take your order?
This is not the Taco Bell.
This is McDonald's.
I'm on the taco.
We only sell hamburgers and fries.
Let me talk to the manager.
Hold on.
Yes! May I take your... What seems to be the problem? You don't sell tacos here. This is supposed to be Taco Bell. This is McDonald's. We sell hamburgers and fries. Can you change the menu? No. Why don't you just go to Taco Bell? Because... Or Lolitas. Because... I don't want to. I like here. I can give you a hamburger. They're really good. What about a soda? Yes, be a soda. Like Coke? I don't do drugs. Pepsi? What kind of drug is that? Water? Too healthy. Lemonade? You don't like lemonade. Look, bud. You need to go away, take your Mexican butt, and go all the way back to Taco Bell and go back to Mexico. Oh, no, you didn't. Well, what are you going to do about it, huh? Oh, girlfriend, oh, no, you didn't. Oh, yes, I did. Ooh, your mom is so hairy, she looks like Bigfoot. She's a cat. Exactly. La migra! Gotta go! I will get you.